Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get lots of silica pearls in ARK. To begin, you will find these valuable resources scattered across the ocean floor in various underwater biomes. They appear as small, white, clam-like objects, often glowing faintly. Manual collection is a straightforward method for new survivors, requiring only your hands. Focus on shallower waters initially to gather your first few pearls safely and efficiently. For more efficient pearl gathering, consider taming an anglerfish. These creatures possess a unique ability to highlight nearby pearls, making them much easier to spot in the murky depths. A basilosaurus is another excellent choice, offering protection from aggressive creatures and passively collecting pearls as you ride it. Otters can also gather pearls from your inventory or nearby sources, providing a small but steady income. To maximize your pearl haul, target specific high-yield locations. Deep ocean trenches are often rich with pearl nodes, offering hundreds of pearls in a single run. Explore underwater caves and specific biomes known for their abundant resources. Additionally, hunting eurypterids, the sea scorpions found in deeper waters, can provide a consistent source of pearls upon defeat. These methods will greatly increase your overall collection. To further enhance your pearl farming, equip yourself with the right gear. A scuba suit or several oxygen tanks will allow for extended underwater exploration without surfacing. Using a high melee damage tool or a powerful aquatic creature will speed up the harvesting process considerably. Consider establishing a small underwater outpost near a dense pearl field for quick access and safe storage of your valuable finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.